आगे डेवलपमेंट आ रहा है उसको भी कितना
हमारा जो माइकिंग है लोगों को अवेयर करने के लिए कंटिन्यूअसली चल रहा है कि थंडरस्टॉर्म लाइटनिंग का प्रोबेबिलिटी है, आप लोग सब इंडोर्स रहिए। जो लोगों का कच्चा घर है, जो लोग बहुत हाईलैंड्स पे रह रहे हैं, उनको हम इवैक्यूएट कर रहे हैं। तो अभी तक हमने 946 लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करके उनको इवैक्यूएट भी कर दिया है, उनको फ्री किचन भी प्रोवाइड किया है। साथ ही साथ हमारा अराउंड 166 ऐसे लेडीज को हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया था जिनका अभी ड्यू डेट पास में है, तो उसमें से 91 लोगों को हम अभी तक शिफ्ट कर चुके हैं। और पीआरआईज के हेल्प में जो पंचायती राज जो हमारे मेंबर्स हैं, सरपंच हैं, समिति सभ्य हैं, उनकी हेल्प से भी हम अपील कर रहे हैं। अभी भी हमारा इवैक्यूएशन एंड शिफ्टिंग कंटिन्यूअसली चल रहा है। हमारे सीनियर ऑफिसर जो हमने डेजिग्नेट किए हैं सब ब्लॉक्स को, वो भी प्रेजेंट हैं डिफरेंट ब्लॉक्स में। वो असेस कर रहे हैं कि क्या और रिक्वायरमेंट हो सकता है, और किसी भी टाइप को सिचुएशन को रिस्पॉन्ड करने के लिए हम रेडी हैं।
Odisha Fire Department has deployed 123 teams in southern range Barampur in 8 districts, and they are fixed with their fire stations, and additional teams we have mobilized from Cuttack RDC Circle and Sambalpur RDC Circle. Total 123 teams have been deployed in entire Brahmapur RDC Circle, and they are equipped with their vehicle and high capacity dewatering pump for Brahmapur and other places where dewatering required after rain. And after cyclone, we have chain surge, high capacity chain surge, the best quality chain surge. And if required after rain, heavy rain, for drowning or for evacuation, our inflatable rubber boat and OBM have been also deployed. In case of night rescue and night operation, we have telescopic lights and good quality lights also. Department is fully prepared. Senior officers will be mobilized as per instruction of the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Mohan Charan Majiji. And as you were saying few minutes before, that Honorable Revenue Minister Sri Suresh Pujari ji is taking the meeting with the senior officials. So Fire and Emergency Services Department of Odisha has deployed 123 teams for Southern Range Barampur, and we have pre-positioned our own teams in Central Range Cuttack, 144 teams to meet any eventuality during heavy rain or for diverting purpose, and if required for evacuation also.
So what are the districts where the fire service 5+1 project is now?
In Southern Range Barampur, mostly Kandhamal, then Bhavani Patna, Jaipur, Koraput, Nabarangpur, Rayagada. In all, most of the Gajpati, most of the districts we have deployed 123 teams.
Sir, AIM cyclone, 8 districts put on red alert. How the fire service is going to tackle on that?
As you know that around the year our people they are in their job for road clearing and the cutting a branch for this. So after math of cyclone, if it will occur, then team is ready for that. They are well trained. Advanced training have been given to most all of them. So fire department is fully geared up and fully ready for this.
So it has been noticed that during heavy rainfall or flood-like situation, urban flood has become a big challenge. So how you are going to tackle on that, and as well as landslide situation?
Yeah, for urban flooding, government has provided high capacity pumps. We have ample high capacity dewatering pumps, and teams are ready for that also for dewatering. Mostly it occurred in Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. So we have additional teams for dewatering. So we are ready for that.
Landslide and
Yeah, for landslide in that Gajpati or Kandhamal, government has directed the local administration, and they are prepared with JCBs, crane for immediate road clearing, for debris clearing. So additional JCBs have been parked at the distinct locations, and we are ready for that. And district administrations is supporting in all.